If you see a brain lesion on your board exams or med school exams and immediately panic, this is the only brain anatomy video you actually need. Let's start with the big picture. Welcome back to MedBites. The brain is divided into lobes, and each lobe does one main job. If that job is broken, you know where the lesion is. So, the first lobe is the frontal lobe. This is the big boss. It's responsible for personality, judgment, planning, motor function, and damage here causes, well, personality changes, disinhibition, poor decision making, and contralateral weakness. Remember, if the right side of the brain is damaged, then you get left sided weakness. It's contralateral. Next one is the parietal lobe. This is responsible for sensation and spatial awareness. Damage here causes loss of sensation, right, which makes sense, and neglect syndromes. So things like, if the right parietal is damaged, then you get left-sided neglect. This is also contralateral, just like the frontal lobe. The next lobe is the temporal lobe, right here. This is responsible for memory and hearing. Also, language comprehension. Remember the previous videos when we spoke about Broca's and Wernicke's aphasia? Remember where we said Wernicke's is? It's in the temporal area. If you have damage over there, you get trouble understanding. You also get memory loss and auditory hallucinations. Dominant temporal damage is where Wernicke's aphasia is, and usually the dominant hemisphere is the left side. Occipital lobe is the last one. It's only responsible for vision. That's it. Damage here causes visual field effects and cortical blindness. Now, you also have the cerebellum, which is this small mini brain right here, and it's responsible for coordination. Damage causes ataxia, dysmetria, intention tremors, and slurred speech. Cerebellum is ipsilateral, meaning that whatever problem happens here, so let's say the left side, the damage is going to present itself on the same side in the body. So it's ipsilateral. Left equals left. Now, a couple more things that you guys got to know. You have to know where the central sulcus is. It's right here. It's this one big line, and its job is to basically separate the motor from the sensory cortex. You have the precentral gyrus, which is right here. This is belonging to the motor cortex, and this is where the homunculus is, the motor homunculus. Remember previous video? And the other side is the post-central gyrus, and this is where sensory is. And now that you know these, you can localize lesions fast.